Hey Jay, what are you making?
No, a sandwich.
Oh, what kind of a sandwich?
It's a ultimate super belt sandwich, and whoever tastes it too much quickly, their taste buds will go out of control and beg for more.
Oh, that's sure quite a sugary sandwich. Aren't you worried about your teeth?
Yeah, I'll brush my teeth after I eat the sandwich.
Okay. So what are the ingredients of your sandwich?
Oh, some personal stuff. Oh, you can see some bananas, butter, garlic, jam, some bread.
And that's all.
Look, there's a secret ingredient.
What is the secret ingredient?
Yep. Hi, Willie. Hi. What's he doing?
Okay, Jaden, I've never had someone who puts yogurt in sandwich. That would be a first time.
So, as you can see, this sandwich can only be made once a year.
Oh, it's like Christmas, eh?
No, every once a year after Christmas.
Every once a year after Christmas. Okay, I'll remember that.
And I'm just practicing how to make it.
Okay.
You see, this sandwich is quite powerful.
Okay.
And also, it can be very, very tasty.
Okay.
So much tasty you can't believe it.
I can't believe it. Okay, Jaden, when you finish, you call me to see how it looks like, okay?
Okay.
Okay. Have fun.
Okay. And this sandwich is going to be the best sandwich anyone could ever taste.
Okay, I believe you.
Now, have a nice time.
Okay.